Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take you on a journey to master the Java programming language. If you're a beginner or aspiring coder looking to learn Java, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through each step to help you become a Java coding pro. So, let's jump right in. Number 1. Get familiar with Java basics. Start by understanding the fundamentals of Java, including variables, data types, operators, and control structures. These building blocks will lay the foundation for your Java coding skills. Number 2. Dive into object-oriented programming, OOP. Java is an object-oriented language, so it's crucial to grasp the OOP concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. These principles will enable you to write efficient and modular code. Number 3. Learn core Java APIs. Explore the vast library of core Java APIs that offer ready-to-use functionalities. Familiarize yourself with commonly used packages like Java, util for data structures, and java.io for input-output operations. This knowledge will empower you to leverage the power of Java's standard library. Number 4. Build real-world applications. Put your skills into practice by building real-world Java applications. Start with small projects like a calculator or a simple inventory management system, and gradually move on to more complex projects like web applications or mobile apps. By building real applications, you'll gain hands-on experience and confidence in your coding abilities. Number 5. Embrace Java development tools. Become proficient in using essential Java development tools such as IDEs, integrated development environments, like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, version control systems like Git, and build tools like Maven or Gradle. These tools will streamline your development process and enhance your productivity. Number 6. Stay updated with Java trends and best practices. Java is an evolving language, so it's important to stay updated with the latest trends and best practices. Follow reputable Java communities, blogs, and forums to keep yourself informed about new features, frameworks, and coding standards. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering Java. By following these points, you're well on your way to becoming a skilled Java coder. Remember, practice and perseverance are key to mastering any programming language. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials and tips. Happy coding!